Hi and welcome again to Safe and Sound Your Car, back for another video of what we do with the ambulances. So what we've done today is we've installed the what you would call the intercom, the interface, all the blue lights, the siren. When you see the ambulance going down the road or on scene, that gets pressed. That's just the rear lights, and when they get a call, they are all go. Yeah. What we can do, when they press the horn twice, it turns off the actual siren. Now we've got the headlight flashers going. We'll just jump out and have a look at that. So, alternative headlights. Oh, and just at the back, just a quick demonstration of some of the things we do. Obviously we do the dash cams as well, so you can remote into it while the occupant is driving. So we're going to turn off the headlight flashers. There we go. Then we're going to turn off the rear lights. Then we're going to turn off the all 60 and back to normal. Okay, Safe and Sound Your Car. Check us out. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.